भैया इसका सी टाइप चार्जर होगा आपके पास?
हाँ जी मिल जाएगा।
Oh my God, Priyanshi, is that you?
ममता, I can't believe my eyes. We are meeting after so long.
Really?
By the way, what are you doing here?
I came here to buy a back cover for my phone. Anyway, let's go somewhere. I have so much to tell you.
Wow, that sounds big. Let's go now.
Yeah. How much? Okay. It's been forever. Feels like a lifetime.
Yes, more like ages. Where have you been hiding?
Oh, just lost in chores of life, family, friends, and a little bit of drama. Same old, same old. But about you?
For me, life has been a roller coaster. But look at us. We met after so long and back together. Just like old times.
Old is gold, right? And we are shining brighter than ever.
Yes, you haven't changed a bit. Still like that confident smile.
And you still the queen of sarcasm.
Once a queen, always a queen.
So tell me everything. Spill the tea.
Spill. Oh, trust me, I have a whole kettle of tea to spill. But first, order tea.
Coffee? Girl, we need a feast. All this catching up.
Yes. You read my mind. Let's just eat, chat, and make up for the old times.
Oh, that's the plan. We used to enjoy so much during our school days, but since I grew up, all the fun has disappeared. I wish I could become kids again.
Yeah, same. I wish too. Childhood was the best time. And growing up, like, fun has faded. So, anyway, tell me what's going on.
Oh, nothing special. I've just completed my college, and to be honest, I enjoyed. I wanted to enjoy so much during our school day, but it's over. And I just kept thinking about it. Now we are grow up, and I wish I had a time machine. Then like a Doraemon. That's why I love Doraemon, and I always watch Doraemon cartoon. I totally relate to Novita. I wish Doraemon give his time machine to me. Then I go back to time and truly enjoy those moments.
You still haven't changed. Still living in your own dream world.
And you also still haven't changed since like a disciplined girl since our school days. And anyway, let me tell you something. I used to be so chubby in school days, you remember? But I don't know who's cast on even on my food. My weight just won't increase.
Oh, who said you are skinny? You are looking absolutely perfect. Okay, let me tell you about something. I recently joined an English academy, and there,
Seriously?
yes, and there I participate in so many videos. And recently I played a role play, and there I sell a vegetable,
Okay.
and everyone was looking at us.
Wow. So tell me everything what you did in that, and I really want to be speaking fluent in English.
Okay, let me tell you from the beginning. So, sir choose me and my friend Tanuja, and we play a role like I'm the vegetable seller and she is customer, and I set a price like vegetable like 2,000. Can you
Oh,
believe it?
seriously?
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
Are you kidding? Are you really do this? I mean, the Priyanshi I know used to be asked to the teacher on her behalf in class, and now she is doing a public activity. It feels so good to hear this, and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much. You have to change with time. Okay, enough about me. Let's talk about something else.
Oh, I don't have any friends here in Haldwani, so we have met now. I want to hang out and explore all the places in Haldwani, like restaurant, cafe, and now we'll go to the mountain place. Otherwise, who knows when youth will just pass without even realizing it.
You read my mind. We should definitely stay in touch and keep meeting. And you know what? I found a cafe and their food is so delicious. We should definitely go there. And that place is perfect for pictures. And you also know that we both are photoholics. So we definitely should go there.
Did you check the most important thing, the food prices? You remember I'm a very foodie, and I love food.
Yes, how could I forget? How could I forget? You're so foodie at that time, and I think that you are foodie also. So yes, I definitely check. And you used to eat your own food and others also.
Are you making fun of me? Did you cast an evil on my food? That's my weight isn't increasing.
No, girl. If you want, I will give you my share also.
Okay, all right then. We will meet directly at the cafe.
Yeah, yeah, sure, definitely. It's a great time meeting with you.
Same here. See you soon.
Okay, see ya.